PEPE COIN recently broke all-time highs. It's up nearly 100% on the month. What the heck is going on with PEPE COIN? Before we start the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host, Umar Khan. Today, we're taking a look at what the heck is going on with PEPE COIN. Should you buy? Should you sell? Before we start the video, I want to let you guys know this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. We see the overall crypto market doing great, up 6% on the day. Bitcoin being a big leader for that, up 7%, bringing Bitcoin to $65,000. Hopefully launch this coin back to some all-time highs. We currently see the fear and the greed index is at a 52. Not too bad, hasn't moved too much, which is okay. But when we go to trending tab, that's when things get interesting. Trending at number one is this new GME token, which we talked about in the last video. So check it out if you haven't already. But the whole GameStop fiasco, and now this new GameStop meme coin. Is it a scam? Is it legit? We'll find out in the last video. But PEPE COIN trending at number 2. For the past almost 3 months, PEPE COIN has been dominating in this top spot. We see on the week, we're up over 44%. On the month, we're up a whopping 104%. What's going on with PEPE? That's what we're going to go ahead and take a look at. So first of all, market cap for PEPE, $4.48 billion, peaking at, or currently at 23 in terms of overall coins on CoinMarketCap. Number 7 in terms of volume at $2.89 billion. Earlier today, this flipped Solana as well, which is absolutely insane. All right, in terms of volume, okay? So what's going on with PEPE, right? We're seeing a crazy pump taking place. Are we going to anticipate this to continue rising, or is this a quick flash in the pan? As we can see, we're still in current all-time highs, right? I should say, we passed previous all-time highs, and it looks like the rally is only going to continue in the upward direction. Even looking at technical reports, we can see oscillators are neutral, but moving averages are indicating strong buys. People are loading up on PEPE, which is great to see as well. Again, PEPE been having just overall phenomenal run over the past couple of months, right? Up again almost 1% on the day, 34% on the week, 100% on the month, 800% in the past 6 months, and over 700% year to date, which is absolutely solid, right? So are we going to see this continue to rise? Are we going to lose zeros, or are we going to see this token crash? I personally, we're going to continue to see PEPE rise. Obviously, enter at a smart time. You don't need to buy at the top. Obviously, do your own research and due diligence, but this might just be the beginning. PEPE almost is breaking past 1 million followers, which is absolutely insane. We see breaking news: Ethereum meme coin PEPE flips Solana in 24-hour volume. That's absolutely massive, right? Think about it. Think about how many transactions take place on the Solana network, and for one token on Ethereum change to pass a whole network is absolutely insane. We see the PEP paradigm. The thing is with PEPE, they're smart. They're always on top of things. They're posting. They're getting community engagement, which is great to see. That's why we think this project is going to last long term, right? Even in terms of bubbles, right? Right now, we can see the PEPE bubble is not as big, but earlier this week, the PEPE bubble was like one of the biggest bubbles. Like nothing else was up like 40%, 50%, which is great to see as well that PEPE COIN is continuing to rise. Now, if you have missed out on PEPE and want to load up on a project that's still massively early, take a look at Dogeverse. This is a token that's currently on pre-sale right now, so it hasn't even launched yet, and it has crazy upside potential. These raised over $15 million in the past 4 weeks. What is this token? It's Dogeverse, the world's first chain traveling Doge. Doge goes multi-chain. Buy and claim Dogeverse on any of the following 6 chains: ETH, Binance, Polygon, AVAX, Coinbase, and Solana. So feature on a ton of different articles. Multi-bridge utility. Utilize superior bridging technology. Dogeverse will be seamlessly multi-chain in just a few clicks with minimum gas fees to worry about because it's multi-chain, right? They have a solid roadmap in place, guys. They have great tokenomics as well. And they also have staking, where I think currently you can earn 56% AP with dynamic range staking, meaning the prices of staking could go up and down as well. They've grown a massive community on Twitter as well, which is very, very bullish, with 17,000 followers in the span of literally a month. This project is going to be live very soon, so you should definitely load up a bag while it's still on pre-sale. We typically see the most success when people load up on the pre-sale gems when they get in early. So if you want to load up a bag, I'm gonna link it in the comment section below as well as in the description. Let me know if you're grabbing a bag. But back to PEPE. PEPE obviously taking a lot of space in the news as well. PEPE coin whale naps 8x profit as price sustained momentum to a new all-time high. PEPE price predictions, it hits a new all-time high. Everyone's bullish, right? Binance extends bank backing for PEPE, right? That's pretty crazy. Are we going to see crazy rally ahead? That's what everybody's anticipating for this fan favorite token. We see how crazy the ride has been, guys. Just even in the past 6-7 months alone, we've seen a crazy dip, a crazy pump. Literally anyone who got in here is just sitting on a crazy profit, right? And I personally anticipate in terms of price prediction and future, again, not financial advice. We're probably going to see Pepe come down somewhere around this range over here before we see it pop up again. But again, this could be just very quick. Next week we see a dip. The following week we can see it pop off again. Again, very, very bullish for Pepe. Even the community is excited for this token. Like, Pepe is not even close to the top. Still another 10x from here, which I absolutely do not doubt. We can see a nice chart drawn out as well with the moving averages. Again, very, very bullish for what comes next for Pepe. Like always, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Let me know what you guys feel about Pepe in the comment section below. And like always, it's not financial advice. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.